मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है। अफसोस है ये कि वो हमसे कुछ उखड़ा उखड़ा रहता है।
अरे गुरु देव साहब नहीं, किशोर किशोर कुमार।
मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है। मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है। अफसोस ये है कि वो हमसे कुछ उखड़ा उखड़ा रहता है। मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की में एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है।
Good evening to all our audience who have joined us on Zoom and Facebook. We shall be starting in just a short while. And until then, we would love to know where all of you have joined in from. Please put in your name and the city that you are from in the chat box. And of course, the passion that is close to your heart. We would like to connect with all of you. And of course, what you can see on the screen, a QR code, which you can scan and become a part of our Glyphs community. Again, a very warm welcome to everyone. We shall be starting in just a short while. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to yet another exciting episode on the channel Glyphs CCE. While today's episode certainly promises to be one that raises your adrenaline when you hear our artists, it also gives us immense pleasure to share that for the first time ever, we will be having the Passion Awards brought to you by Glyphs CCE, your platform to share and inspire the passions that you carry, as you have just seen in the video. Do get in touch with us on the email ID shared in the comments box if you wish to join for the awards night as well. We also invite you to be a sponsor for our awards night. So to the audience, stay tuned as we talk to our guests, both who are going to take you on a beautiful ride. One on a bike ride and the other on a musical ride. To the audience, we shall be recording this episode for quality purposes. Glyphs essentially means the representation of a character. And what better way there is to identify what a person truly is than to observe what he loves from within him. And that's why the name Glyphs. It also stands for being a symbol that represents something beyond the face value. The three symbols or the three glyphs that you saw in the logo represent what the concept is all about. They stand for Create, Connect, Express, or CCE. Like we all know, #Passion Matters. Glyphs is a channel where you indulge in to identify the passion created within you, connect with each other, and openly and ingenuously express your thoughts and passions. The purpose of this channel is to create a community of like-minded people who share a common drive for passion. Passion is the force that motivates you to achieve success and happiness to build a better life. It is something that allows you to be inherently yourself. Your passion can be singing, photography, painting, playing an instrument, or even something as different as collecting items, cycling, or sports. This might be something that you are not necessarily doing as your work. In fact, it is better if you have a passion that helps you unwind and enjoy your own company. The Glyphs community is meant to encourage us to keep pursuing our passions. It is a global community who see, learn, and appreciate the things that we do. It is also an avenue where you can showcase your own passion and also be inspired to explore a new passion. You know you got it. We know you got it. Now, let the world know you got it. And that's exactly what we are here to do. Create, connect, express. And so a very warm welcome to yet another rocking evening on Glyphs CCE. I am your host, Kavita Avasthi, and I welcome all of you to the 32nd episode of this wonderful channel.